I'm Mark here, Monday, April the 6th, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, 1:30 p.m. GMT. Let's have a look at the US dollar's performance to start the new week and the US session. I've got support at 99.59. I've got resistance at 100.09. Solid red candlestick, gapped higher to start the week, but from the start of the Asian session, US dollar has been sold off. Brief reprieve over the past couple of hours, but now that the US session's underway, you can see the selling is continued. So we've got weak US dollar as the US session does uh, get underway. Let's have a look at the majors. Euro US, there you see solid green candlestick. That's buying euro, selling US dollar weakness against the euro. I've got support at 115.07. I've got resistance at 115.69. We'll see if buyers do continue and test this resistance level, perhaps higher. Strong euro, weak US dollar. If they're going to see a turnaround from weak to strong US dollar, would be a bounce down of this resistance area, and sellers look back down to the 115 level. The pound against the US, very similar pattern there. You see green candlestick, buying pound, selling US dollar. I've got support at 131.78. Strong support level, you can see that over the past week. And I've got resistance at 132.62, the level buyers are testing right now, the intraday resistance level. And if this does continue through the US session, you can see the EMAs about to cross to the upside as well. Let's have a look at the US against the yen. And there you see the red candlestick, selling US dollar, buying yen. US dollar weakness again. Resistance 159.77. Tough resistance level you can see, and support sitting at 159.24. And that's the level that sellers will be looking for. If US dollar can fight back from this area, this level around the 159.42 where it's sitting now, buyers will look to come up and retest again this 159.77 resistance level. And the US against the Canadian, again, dollar weakness, US dollar weakness, Canadian dollar strength, solid red candlestick. EMAs almost about to cross over. Resistance 139.49 and support at 139.06, the $1.39 support level being tested. So on all the, we're seeing it on the index, on all the majors, US dollar weakness to start the new week. We will see if that continues. So often we see a turnaround from be it strong to weak or weak to strong once the US session gets underway. So far today, US dollar weakness across the board, waiting to see whether US dollar buyers step in and fight back from the current resistance and support levels being tested in line with dollar weakness, and whether the US dollar fights back through the course of the day. Good trading, and I will see you at the end of the day.